I'm tired of reading comments like this. Nowadays, people just want to replace. You know what? Riddle me this. So you buy a brand new car, 2023, brand new. And within a year, it starts rusting. Are you going to take it back? You will. Let's say the engine blew up or transmission started leaking. Something happened. You will take it back because you bought something with a warranty, right? Or you get into an accident and you get hurt in the accident. You hire some people and they'll find out that you got hurt because the car was poorly manufactured, or on the assembly line someone forgot to put a bolt in or something, and you got hurt because of that thing. Are you gonna sue them? You will. Our work, body shops that fixes cars for insurance companies, we give a lifetime warranty on the repair. We only repair what we're supposed to repair. And sometimes if something, like let's say we have a bigger dent, like a huge dent, like let's say 2 feet by 2 feet dent, and we ask the fair time to do it because we're going to spend an entire day on repairing it, and the insurance company says, why? I'm not going to give you that much money. We'll just buy you an aftermarket one. It's cheaper. So that's why a lot of parts gets replaced. First, we cover our own asses. Second, you give a better warranty to the customer. And third, it's better to replace it. You will have a better, safer end product. When the car is complete, it will be safer when you replace the thing instead of putting Bondo on it. I'm not gonna say that's a lot of Bondo. What's allowed is 1/4 of an inch. You can warranty the car if you have 1/4 of an inch of Bondo on it. In order to save some of these parts that should be replaced, sometimes you need to put more Bondo. And if you put more Bondo and it cracks, guess what? There's a warranty on it. You will bring it back and the body shop will fix it for free. So that's why we replace whatever we can replace. If it's cheaper to replace it, we're not going to sit there and repair a $200 fender. Because our work is worth more than just the $200 we're going to spend on the fender. And nowadays, if you have a car that's, 5 years old, you will find the fender for cheap. You will find a $100 fender. It's aftermarket. It might fit like crap. It probably is. But it's a fender. It's better than having too much Bondo on it. So that's why we replace.